Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making raisin rice. It is quick, easy, and super delicious. Those who are watching and have not yet subscribed, guys, please do so you will not miss any of my delicious recipes. Those who are already here, thank you so very much for your support. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. Now these are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. So to my pan, I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt. Now I'll add 1 medium diced onion. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Now we'll add about 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Then 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix everything well and allow to cook for an additional 1 minute. Now I add some celery, continue to mix, and allow this to cook for an additional 30 to 60 seconds. Now we will go in with our rice, and we're doing 2 cups of basmati white rice. Let's mix everything well. Combine, yes, give it a good stir. Also did add some habanero peppers and my complete seasoning, my chicken bouillon, and my garlic powder. Now I'm adding some sugar. Give this a good mix. Make sure everything is combined, all the ingredients. I absolutely love this rice. It smells amazing already. I'm adding a little bit of green onions and they will give a little bit more flavor. I'm going in with 2 cups of warm water, or you can use hot water, and I'm going to cover and allow it to steam. I'll add an additional 1 more cup. Give it a good stir. Taste, make sure the flavor is just right. If you need to adjust the seasoning, you can do so here. I'll cover again and allow it to steam for an additional 10 minutes. Always keep checking and stirring the rice. You can feel the texture. Now this is our raisins. I would have washed and picked the raisins, the tip of the raisins, like I clean it out before I put it in the rice. So we put this in just about 3 minutes before the rice is off the stove and allowed to steam. So what we will do here is use a fork and fluff the rice. Cover and let the raisins steam for about 3 minutes. Remove, feel the texture. If you need to add a little bit of water, you can go ahead. If it's not as tender as you would like, but just add a little bit at a time. So here I did add some green seasoning. This gives a really good flavor. So now I'm removing the rice from the stove and pouring it into my Pyrex dish to cool. I'm adding a little bit of shredded carrots and use the fork and continue to fluff the rice. And now we'll go in with the rest of our vegetables, all the bell peppers, mix everything well, a little bit more green onions. And that is my finished product, guys. It's absolutely delicious and amazing. You must try this recipe, and if you do, guys, please let me know how yours turned out. All right, again, thank you so much for welcoming me into your homes or wherever you're watching this video from, guys. Do enjoy. Bye bye.